You might be thinking that buyers are most interested in things like the number of bedrooms or number of bathrooms, or even the amount of square footage underneath the roof of the house. But that's information that buyers know before they ever step foot inside of the home. So once you have buyers inside of the home, you're that much closer to having a buyer make a purchasing decision. So let's get into those top 5 reasons that buyers make that purchasing decision. Number 5, parks and recreation. Sure, the buyers are interested in the new hardwood floors and the beautiful granite countertops inside of the home, but they also want to know where they can go and ride a bicycle, throw a frisbee, or hang out on a Saturday afternoon. So knowing about the nearby parks and recreational opportunities are a huge part of the purchasing decision that buyers are going to make. Number 4, schools. Sure, you can look online and see what district the home is assigned to and even the online ratings about how good the school appears to be. But buyers really want to know more about those schools. They want to know about the marching band program, the football program, the PTSA. They want to understand what sort of experience their kids are going to have while living in the home. And again, this is very important for buyers that have kids and even without kids, because a school district can greatly affect the resale value of a home. Number 3, nearby shopping. Sure, you can go onto online maps and see the nearest grocery store or the nearest coffee shop, but there's something more that buyers need to hear. They need to hear from the listing agent and from the seller. What are those hot spots to go to? What's the best coffee shop of the 3 within a 5-mile radius? What is the best grocery store for seniors on Senior Wednesday? What is the best bank that has the best reputation for the community? Those are the sorts of things that buyers want to know and give a sense of comfort about before making that purchase decision. Number 2, buyers want to know what makes this home special. By now they've seen the pictures online, they've read the description, they may even be inside of the home, but they want to know what makes this home special. You want to make sure you call out things like the beautiful sunsets that can be seen from the back deck of the home. They may not even know that if they visit the home in the morning. You may also want to point out things like the fire pit in the backyard. Again, if the buyer's in a hurry and they are seeing multiple homes that day, they may never even make it to the backyard. So a buyer wants to know what makes this home special before making that big decision. And finally, number 1, buyers want to know about the sense of community. Sure, they may tour the home and find the house to be beautiful and meet all of their needs, but what will they know about the community? They want to know about the neighbors. Are there kids in the neighborhood? Are there activities on the major holidays? Is there a parade nearby on July 4th? Things like that are what make a buyer feel like they're going to feel welcome from day 1 when they move into their new home. So anything you can share that helps shed light on the community itself is a win and will help seal the deal and gain that new buyer. This video is brought to you by Glasshouse Guide. Glasshouse Guide is an innovative new service that allows listing agents and sellers to place an Alexa device inside of the home where Alexa can answer questions from prospective buyers as they tour the home. It's a terrific way to help shed more light and more narrative around all of the top 5 reasons that buyers make a purchasing decision.